16 creative and stylish wooden headboard ideas. It's a little bit country, a little bit rustic, a little bit contemporary. This lovely green and white bedroom from Janie Mulster Designs shows off a headboard made from reclaimed wood, a great way to add a big dose of style to your room while doing the environment a favor. Win-win. A medley of soft colors, a beachy vibe, a wonderfully shaped wooden headboard. What's not to love about this bedroom from interior designer Jennifer Palumbo? This bedroom from Burnham Design shows off an amazingly ornate Moroccan bed. When decorating with a showstopper like this one, it's best to limit the accessories and colors in the rest of the space. This bed is a traditional design, but the matte black paint gives it a contemporary edge. Add in the touches of bold color and pattern throughout the space, and you have this gorgeous bedroom from Burnham Design. Who said a wooden headboard couldn't have fun? This wave-inspired, turquoisey green bed shows off a sense of whimsy and looks great while doing it. The bright pillows continue the beachy feel. The bedroom is from Studio 80 Interior Design. When walls go bold, as in this vibrant bedroom from the Interiors Addict, a simple wooden headboard is just right. This bedroom has a tropical feel, which the bed complements without making a fuss or demanding attention. Perfect. Mid-century modern, the decorating style predominant during the 1950s and 1960s, and currently once again riding high in popularity, calls for simple lines, unadorned wood, and furniture with legs, as shown in this simple yet stunning bedroom from Madison Modern Home. Traditional and gorgeous. That's the best way to describe this bedroom from Courtney Hill Interiors. The imposing wooden four-poster bed is softened by the heavily distressed dresser next to it, as well as the cozy bedding and woven cane back armchair at the foot of the bed. What a beautiful room. Looking for a headboard that can hold its own, and yet not compete against a bold wallpaper with strong color? Then take a tip from Lauren Nelson Design, and choose a traditional wooden sleigh bed in a medium to dark brown. The simple design of the headboard is the perfect foil for strong color on the walls. A lovely in neutrals bedroom gets a touch of rustic style from a wood palette headboard. Shown on Interior Design blog Stylizimo, this peaceful and lovely room is a perfect example of modern farmhouse style. Jennifer Wirtz Design brings nature indoors with this fabulous Twig headboard. Mix it with cozy bedding, an intriguing light fixture, and a palette mostly limited to white, and the result is this wonderfully restful bedroom. A live-edge wooden slab gives a bit of retro, rustic appeal to this bedroom photographed by Christopher Stark. Cut branches are an unexpected accessory, reaching nearly to the ceiling. Blonde wood spells mid-century modern in this funky bedroom from Amy Lau Design. Notice the little built-in shelves on the headboard. The geometric rug and comforter add just enough color and pattern without detracting from the overall airiness of the space. Here's a terrific DIY headboard that only looks like it's crafted out of reclaimed scraps of wood. If you'd like to make one for your own room, you'll find full directions at Bright Forest. Wow! When your headboard is as much of a showstopper as this one, found on boho-style blog La Maison Bohème, you don't need much else in the way of decor. Wood can be painted, of course, to any color you'd like. In this traditional vintage-styled room from Urban Grace Interiors, the soft green is just enough of a statement to hold its own without demanding too much attention. So pretty. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.